honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sonali, and today we are here for debate. The topic is skills versus degree. I believe degree because degree is the matter in India. In India, degree is just not a paper. It is your identity, eligibility, and your future. That's it.
As my opponent said, that degree matters most in India. I respect your opinion, but if you do research, or according to my research, there are there are literate people. The number of unemployed people is greater than the number of employed people, and the peoples that are unemployed, they are mostly literate people. Means what I want to say is, the educated people are more unemployed, and the less educated people are more employed. So how does the degree plays role in it?
Okay, ma'am, I just say something. 70% Indian youth are employed. Like 70% youth are educated, but I think there is no what we say. There is no job vacancies, and there is no scope, like whatever the field for that. That's it.
Good evening, my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to talk about skills, because skill is very important for today's generation, because uh, you go anywhere, so skill, you show your skill, so people judge for your skills. And you have a degree, so degree you keep in your cupboard, you don't stuck in your face and show everyone. And if you have a good skills, so you have a computer skills, so you easily teach students and make PPT. And if you have a communication skills, so you easily communicate with other peoples, and other skills, so you success in your life, so degrees is more important.
Good evening, respected all my dear friends. Uh, my opponent Nidhi says skills, and skill is right. Skill is important, but prove it. You need an opportunity, and that's okay.
In my opinion,
Good evening, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Gayatri, and I am believe skill is most important because a degree provides knowledge, but skill teaches people how to apply specific knowledge in the particular real world.
in my opinion, skills versus degree, and so gives take.
I respect all opinion, but when we talk about any particular which things we say, when we go in any particular companies, we need a degree for doing our roles. If you know about computers, you have a knowledge about any particular things, but when we want a higher package, we need degree for that particular things.
Good evening, dear friend. My opponent skill. There are also degree important, but then skill is important. There also degree theoretical theoretical knowledge. Skill is better and complete.
Yes, skill is also important, but prove to you need an opportunity, and that's opportunity given by degree. That's why I believe degree is key to success, and the very best companies for mm, ask degree first. That's why.
But anyone easily take degree and skills you have more things you do, and degree you pay some money and easily they provide degree, so it is also fake degree. It is not a, success over your life.
Okay, in India there is many career. We have there is many career is impossible without degree. Doctor, engineer, then what we say teacher, the lawyer, they all have done their degree. Because of degree is must in our life. My opponent says like skill is important. Yes, which is right, skill is important, but skill is engine, but the degree is license of that driver. That's it.
I respect your opinion. As you said that degrees plays role kind of license. Okay, you're right. But tell me, if you don't have skill, will you be able to make money? Or if you get hired on the basis of degree, will you able to survive in that company without skills? Do you have any answer? The first thing that you need to survive anywhere is skills. If you have skills you can make money, and everyone knows money plays so much crucial role in our life. Okay.
Skill bring money. I agree, but degree bring respect to very best post like collector, doctor, engineer.
My opponents say collector and other people they have a degree, then they do this work, but they have a knowledge and they have a skill for regarding this work. That's why they choose this field.
Okay, all the opponents are say degree is only qualification. First of all, you have go any interview. The first question is what is your qualification. You cannot tell them like I have a more skill without that field. You have answer the first question. What do have what is your qualification? You don't have any answer. And second thing, you say you all just opponents say like skills. We are learning skill in YouTube like 3 months, but in degree we are learning 3 to 4 year. That's it.
So as you said that degree matters the most, but I don't think that degree matters the most. What I think is skills matters the most. Okay, as you said that there are so many doctors, collectors, and so many peoples. They become or they reach that position just because they have a degree. But let me tell you, there are so many. There are thousands, even there are lakhs of people who have degree, but they are not IAS officer. They are not doctors. The only people they are become doctor or they become IAS officer is the people they have skills. There are so many people who have degree, and they are searching for job. And we are and the most important, we are no longer living in a world where if you have degree you are hired. That's not the world we are living. We are living in 2026 AI's world where artificial intelligence is taking off the market. Okay, and industrial revolution is going on. So if you have the proof of your skills, now what I mean the proof, the skills means projects. If you have projects, you can do freelancing. There are so many people who do freelancing and earn in lakhs. So if you have proof of your work in the form of projects, not just a degree, We are no longer living in a world where people ask for degree. They ask, do you have projects? Do you have some proof? Do you have your GitHub portfolio or any Upwork or any portfolio? So I just want to say that skills matters the most.
Skills is everything happens, but one thing, what is important degree? I tell you, who gives the interview call? HR, right?
Yes.
Why HR you gives to interview call? Because first of all, he sees your degree, then he see our skills, your skills. That's why degree is important.
I believe degree open the door, but skill helps to stay in the room.
I agree with the opposite team, but when we learn skill, we first of all we need to go in a college. After then, when we take any particular technical course, like engineering and others, when we learn about that particular things and skill, that's why degree is more important than skill, because we are learning in that particular periods. April.
There are uncountable examples of dropouts who made the billions of business, so many startups and all. They don't have degree. They are dropout, but they have skills. They have that kind of mindset, and because of their skill, they achieved that position. They reached that level. And in short, whatever you say, skills matters the most.
Okay, ma'am. If you are sick and then if you are sick, you have to go the skill person or the MBBS degree holder. If obviously we are going to degree holder, MBBS degree holder, and then if you want to loan for business, then the bank will be trust you for you are only a skill person, or you are degree, you are already all degree holder. The bank was why bank was trust you because of your skill person? That is not right. So,
I think bank not provide for a you have a degree, so then bank not provide you loan because bank they told you have a you pay interest and you say some reason, so then they take a loan.
but Nidhi, my question is, uh, if you have want a loan for business, then bank will have trust, bank how will have trust you for you say like I am a experienced person for that field. Then they bank cannot trust you for that field. You have to experience. They took which qualification you have to do, what is your background. They all see all about that things.
I agree that bank want proof that you are a trustable person. Okay, so credible person. So that we can trust on you, we can give you money, and on that basis we can assure that you will return. Okay. So now see, first as you said that we will if we have choice of two doctors, to whom we will go. Okay, the one who has MBBS degree or the one who says that I am skilled person. Okay, I agree that I will personally go to MBBS person. Okay, now see got that degree MBBS. First he learned that skill. First he learned that all that MBBS syllabus skills. He done his internship in all those 5 to 7 years. Now in short, what he done in that 5 to 7 years, learned skills. The So it clearly shows that first thing that matters is skills. If you don't perform well in your internship, you will get less marks, and there is less chances to get a degree or to delay it.
But ma'am, you have already answered my question. He has done his degree after learning skill. First of all, he has done his degree, and then he has learning all more things like medical field. He have more like he have to go PG, post graduation, like we say, like specialization in after MBBS. But first of all, we complete our degree, and then we have to go in other skills.
See, you don't get degree that much easily. First you have to first you have to do internships, and on that basis of marks and how you perform in your curriculum in your college, on that basis you will get the degree. If you don't perform well, if you don't perform in your skills, if you don't show your skill, college will also not give you a degree. You may have seen that people who have the higher marks, they or higher skills or practical skill, they have higher chance to get a job, to get a degree. But the people who don't perform well in their practicals or in their skill, don't show their skill, they have very less chance to get a degree. So in short, the first thing that matters is skills.
Yes, also degree is important and skill also important. We both are needed to success. That's why also degrees and skill important.
Who's interview going to? Ask me question. Who's interview going to? There also me. I am interview. They this receiving. There also degree. I am a BBA graduate. BBA. There also degree transferred, but MSCIT, Excel, but skill requirement maybe, and not skill. I am not selected. Then important are skill.
But first of all, see not your skills, see your degree. That's why you hearing there.
So my opponent say firstly they ask a question, what's your degree? So then there also matter in our communication skill. They also judge for our communication skills. If I say politely, and if I say and our behavior is nice, so then they choose for us. Otherwise we have a only degree, so then they don't choose us. Because but we have a good communication skill, and easily convince to other company, and then easily connect to other people, so then they choose for us. They don't choose for only our degree.
Okay, but every interview or interviewer said first question like, tell me about yourself, and we will say my name is this, and I'll completed my degree or I'll completed my diploma. Second answer is, every second answer is our qualification. I think skill is useless without degree, because of if you are if we are going any exam like IAS, whatever the exam, we cannot allow to that exam. We cannot they cannot allow me like that. I cannot complete any degree. I have only skills. Then what people's or what I think 70% youth, 70% Indians are going government jobs. I think 70% job vacancies is only government job, and that time degree is most important. They cannot allowing we for for our skill. They only trusted us for the degree.
Yes, there is a qualification for you need eligibility for everything. If you have degree, then you are eligible to give UPSC exam. But if you don't have degree, then you are not eligible to give UPSC exam. I agree that this is the eligibility. But do you know the success rate of UPSC exam or MPSC exam? 0.01%. So degree doesn't play a role. It plays a role until you get the admission or until you appeared for the exam. But after participating in the exam, when you're writing that exam, what matters is your mindset. What matters is your skill. And see, somehow you have degree or somehow you have connections. You got that position. We all know how politics world. Okay, how politics works. You got that position. How long you are able to survive without skills? Not a single day. You can get fired on second day or first day of your duty. If you don't have skills, how will you work? Yes, you can got that position with connections or with while doing any politics or anything. You can get there. But how long you are able to survive? You can get fired on second day or first day of your job. So if you want to survive for a longer time, you need skills.
But degree get you chance for any job. That's why.
But I believe degree is important, but skill is most important because you have skill like problem solving ability, creative thinking, decision making, and teamwork, group discussion. These skills are help to select in your interview.
But in degree, we the course are 3 to 4 years. We are going our college in regular basis for 3 to 4 years. Then our college or our teacher already teach us for the teamwork. How was the teamwork? How was the main leading role we are playing any situation? That's correct. And then I must say like. What I say, sorry, if, एक minute, sorry,
After completed degree, you know about what you read, what you learn about this topic. You don't remind in your whole life. But if you have skills you learn 2 3 months. So then skills is a matter in your whole life. Skills is you use for your lifetime because and degree is only for 4 years, then you read and then you know about this topics. Then after anyone ask you a question, then you don't give some example, but they ask some question related to skills. So your skill is lifetime, so you easily give a example. And your skill is skill is matter than more matter than degree.
Okay, guys, I'll give you a real example with my office. There is lots of peoples. We are working in that office, but a lady, I think she will complete her degree in like BA, BCom like that, but she have a 3 to 4 year experience. Okay, and she was a very good performance in our office. She cannot done any degree, she cannot done in specialization degree, she can, but she has skill. That's why she can try to do some best in our office, but still her salary cannot increase. And after I think she have 4 to 5 years experience, but still her salary is still same. There is first 1 year then now this is condition is her salary is still same, and but I'm going to join. I think I'll join after 2 to 3 months. I'll joining the company. I have a degree. My company owners are suddenly like 2 months before increase my payment, increase my salary. That's the power of degree. That's it.
I give a one example. You know about Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji. So they don't have any degree. They only have a skill. They have a good communication skill. They have a other skill. So that's why they become a prime minister in our India.
When you speak about the president of India, they have a lot of skill. Rahul Gandhi, they purchased much more degree. And when we speak about the Atal Bihari Vajpayee, they did their degree in financial. I think which degree they purchased, I don't know. But on that particular basis of the degree, they learn lot of skill. And in that particular financial crisis, then India was facing their degree they help to the grow Indian economy.
So every workplace has their own etiquettes, has their own protocols. What we say rules. So it's depend on what in which workplace you're working. Okay. See, suppose consider you are a HR and you have two candidates. One person has no degree and other person has degree. He has MTech degree. Okay, and the first person don't have any degree, but the first person has the skills. You want to hire a video editor, okay, or say you want to hire a Android developer, okay, one who can build the Android app. The first person who don't have a degree, he already built his skill, he learned in he had done course from somewhere, and he also built some projects. He also launched his project, his apps on Play Store, okay, and they are working very well. He is also generating so much revenue through that. And other person just has the knowledge, he only have the one or two project and just a small project, and he only have the MTech degree, but the first person also making revenue and also working on it. So who will you hire?
Obviously, ma'am, we will hire the experience. He has to do his best. We cannot hire the MTech student. But, ma'am, the question is, degree is important for that because of we can learn skills after completing our degree, or we can learn skill uh, to pursuing our degree. We can learn skill, and skill learns we can learn skill 3 to 4 months, but degree cannot learn 3 to 4 months. Degree can the degree can achieve we are like 3 to 4 years. We all know about B.R. Ambedkar. We all know about that person. He is the best qualification in our India. Like he has done his lots of degrees.
32 degrees.
32 degrees he has to pursuing. Then the thing is, if you all say, my all opponents say degree is not the degree is not important for living life, then what he can then how he can pursuing with lots of degree like 32 degree. He know about the degree as important. That's why we are educating lots of degree in any other field. That's why degree is important.
But in today's generation, there are skills is more important because many child and their family, they firstly choose you learn skills. They don't they don't say you firstly choose degree. They say you pay money and you easily take any degree. But skills you have you learn you take a class and then you join, so your life become a successful. If your degree is you don't get a job in your future, so then if you have a good communication skills, you have a business skills, you have a good communication and other skills, so you open it your business. And if you have a only degree, you don't have any skills, so then if you don't selected in job, so why you so when why should you do?
First of all, Nidhi, let me explain one thing. If there are two girls. One is well, a girl. One girl are lots of experience for AI. What which the field in like we are doing some AI or some data what there is lots of companies like Pune, Bangalore in AI or what we say lots of companies L&T, then I cannot remember that companies. Two girls in that company. One girls have lots of experience, lots of skill on that field, and one girl have completed her degree and she can also join the company. But sometimes we all know about that AI replacing the jobs. Then the company owner who has living one person, the both girls, then he has said he cannot understand like she has lots of experience, she has lots of skills. He had done he have see like she is completed his degree, then we can hire it, we cannot leave it, we cannot leave her because of there is company claim. The lots of company are lots of officers are claim in that company. She don't have any degree, why are you why are you hire her? That's it.
But this company owner, they don't have any degree, they have a skill for run their business. That's why they open it their business. And for example, Mukesh Ambani, they have a good skill like run their business, so then they run their business and achieve their goals and success in their life.
I want to ask some question. If we want to learn some skill, what we do first of all?
We go to some institute, we buy some courses.
After if we buying any courses, what we are taking from them? Any particular certificate?
We are learning skills.
Yeah, we are
And
learning
as a
skill.
proof of that,
But-
we are getting a certificate.
Yeah.
Yes.
But when we goes for any particular interview, what they will ask, you have certificate?
Yes,
You have
I
degree?
agree. I got your point.
Yeah.
You mean that certificate matters?
Yeah, certificate and degrees matter.
Okay.
If you have a skill but you don't have any particular degree and certificate, or on which basis they will hire you?
On the basis of skills, the person
how
has
can-
the portfolio.
First of all, when we go for the any particular interview, what they will ask, which degree you have,
Yes.
which skill,
Yes.
which certificate you
Yes.
have. On that particular basis, they will hire you. If only you have skill but you don't have any particular degree and any certificate, they can't hire you because degree plays role when we goes for any particular government exam and private sector. That's why.
I got your point. I got your point. If I have a degree, then that person will hire me. Okay. I agree with your first point that the first question they will ask, do you have any degree? do you have any proof of your qualification? I agree. But I'm not agree with your second point that they will hire me on the basis of my degree. At first moment they will see my degree, they will ask me, but after that they will ask me what you have learned in that degree, what projects you have done, uh, what are the events you have participated in, what qualifications or what internship you have done, or in which you have some kind of what we say the prize, any do you got any prize, or do you have any proof of your skills, do you what you have learned in that degree. On the basis of degree we can't hire you. The biggest companies, the Google, Amazon, Microsoft, they clearly announced the 2 years before that we are living in the AI world where we no longer hire on the basis of degree. If you have skills we will hire you, because at the end we want you to work. We just want our work to be done by someone who knows how to do a work. And if you have degree you don't know how to work, then see, think from your perspective. You have one company, you want to build your website, who will you give your work? The one who has a degree, who says that I know all HTML CSS, I know how a website is built, or the other person who already built website on the second person, but the first person has degree? Will you hire on the basis of degree? First you ask that degree, yes, the first person don't have degree, second person has the degree, but how longer you are able to survive in that industry if you don't have skills?
I think I respect opinion, but both factor matters. If you only have a degree, only have a skill, you can't able to join any particular institute or.
But in the end, interview they ask a question, what we hire you? Then we answer it. I have a good communication skill. I have a problem solving skills. So these skills matter than your company. So that's why then they select us.
I completely disagree with you because skill is covered by degree. First of all, complete your degree. You have skills. You working on your skills, but the degrees is the key to success. Sometime we are going to cricket match. First of all, I purchase a cricket ticket. Then we will go inside for watching. First purchasing ticket and then going inside and watch match. And degree like this. First degree is ticket for your goal, like your career.
For example, you anyone select you for a see your degree. Then after they hire you, and then they told you you complete this work, and you don't about this work because you don't have a skills. So then so then when you complete your work, and I give one example. Two boys. His name is Raju, and his name is Raju, and yes, his name is Raju, and okay. So the two person. Okay. So then they preparing for one interview. Then they give their interview. Then they give their interview, and so then they give their interview, and then Raju, they have a good communication.